Hello everybody. It's been a while. I know. I've been very busy. I recently returned back to Ecuador. So it's nice to see you. So, since it's your first video here in Ecuador with me, I'm going to show you around a little bit. Some really nice places. There's lots of scenery to see. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you more about not so much word comparison, but just why we have words in English that have a very similar meaning and may have a slight difference to them. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple of examples, and I just want you to see or understand why we do that and why these words are necessary.
What is he talking about?
So as I'm walking along the road here, hopefully you guys can enjoy some of the nice vegetation. I'm basically just walking in a countryside place. There's not a lot of traffic here. Not many people use this road. The odd car goes by, and you can probably see in the sidewalk here, not too many people walk along here. So I feel like I'm a little bit in a remote spot. The Pastaza River is just down from me. You probably can't hear it in the video, but it's not too far from me. So the first words that I wanted to talk about, just to kind of give you an idea, was fascinated and interested. Okay, so you might feel like those words are very similar, and why would we have two words that mean the same thing, basically? Well, in English, we like to have a word for everything and be very clear about our feelings or what we're trying to say in a description. So fascinated actually is just a higher level of being interested in something. So if you have an interest in something, for example, a friend says, hey, do you want to go hiking on the weekend? And I might say, yeah, I'm interested in that. I'm just expressing a normal level of wanting to do something like that. However, if I express myself and I said to him, I'm fascinated by the idea of going on a trip, then that person would receive that information in a way that would let them know that I'm very interested. So instead of using very much more, these types of words, we can just change one word and say fascinated instead of using interested. Another word comparison that we could make would be, for example, huge or big. both, they mean the same thing. However, instead of saying very, very big or bigger, we can often just use the word huge. So I might say, oh yeah, that's a big mountain. Or I could say, that's a huge mountain. It's just our way of still sticking to using one word to make the language quick and fast and efficient. And we do this by creating all these different words. So I know in this series of word versus word, it's great for you guys because it helps you to understand the difference. And sometimes some words do have a very distinct difference, and other words don't have such a huge difference in the meaning, except for the level that happens when we say these words. Okay? All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my new home for a while, probably for a long while. And I'm gonna have fun bringing you guys lots of new videos from Ecuador so you can check it out. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching the video.
I hope you enjoyed today's class, and see you next time.